All right, here we go, everybody. This is Winner's Choice. Any one carton of smokes, $7 a spot. Let's get it. I came down here and I copied and pasted this list already. All the names line up over here. Come down here and type live. Current time of 9:54, 9:54, 9:54, and 9:54. We're in Elite, so we gotta go 7 times. Got Gary. I don't smoke cigs. Gary, Fred, Gary for the remaining. Good luck. 7 times as always. Got Fred after 1. Gary. After 6, we have Jerry again. Current time is 9:55. 9:55. Last and final good luck. Schwartz. Congratulations. RNQDAC is the verification code. We are done. Current time 9:55, 9:55, 9:55, and 9:55. Congratulations, Mr. Schwartz. Get with Sharon.